post-game press conference. Congratulations to the FPU Tamaraos for beating the Adamson Soaring Falcons in overtime, 73-70. The Tamaraos are at 4-6. We have Coach Sean Chambers, Janry Pasaol, and Kirby Mongcopa. Coach, congratulations for this hard-earned win that ended Adamson's 4-game winning streak. So what can you say about your team's performance? Especially Adamson is coming up on a big win against UST. What can you say, Coach?
So I'm gonna say I'm sorry we're late because I kind of scolded them in the locker room because we played great basketball for 3 quarters, and then the fourth quarter we showed a little bit of immaturity that I feel we're at a point in their basketball careers where we need to start showing a little bit more leadership, finishing the game off the right way, and not let it get to that point. Because for 3 quarters, I thought we were phenomenal. We did everything we were supposed to. We kept them off the 3-point line. And then the fourth quarter, we just kind of went blank on that. And then we actually had ill-advised turnovers down the stretch that put it into overtime. But with that said, I'm happy for the win. This league is incredible. Every game has been like this. I'm really happy for our guys. I'm looking at Kirby's number, 17 rebounds for a freshman and 11 points. I mean, just incredible.
Wow.
And John Ray continues to make some big plays down the stretch for when we needed them the most. But John Ray, 9 rebounds, 8 assists, 10 points, almost a triple-double. I mean, phenomenal. But really kudos to Adamson. I have to say, part of the reason we're running our offense and we're running our flow to our offense is from what I watch from Adamson and what they do. Because they're one of the most disciplined team with their offensive structure in our league. So I really take a lot from Coach Nash and what he's done with Adamson, and that those guys are really good. I don't think they get the same credit as the other kids in our league.
Thank you. To Kirby, you had 11 points, 17 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block on Monty Montebon, yung panablasana. So, ano yung masasabi mo na ito, nanalo kayo? Yung depensa mo sa uli kay Monty, yun yung crucial para ma-preserve nyo yung lamang nyo.
Yun nga yun, yung tira ni Montebon, nakita ko na screen, wala nang shot clock, kaya diniretso ko na lang yun Nakita ko na, kaya nakuha ko naman, and yun nga lang, di lang na shot yung tira na free throw na isa. Pero, yun nga, nasa pag-process yan.
Thank you.
Process.
Okay. Sorry. To Janry, almost triple-double as what Coach Sean said with 10 points, 9 rebounds, 8 assists, and you had 1 block. So, ito, malaking panalo tong against Adamson kasi confidence builder to, lahat naghahabol. May chance pa kayo mag-Final Four. So, ano yung anong kailangan nyo gawin sa last 4 games para syempre hindi maulit yung ganitong yung nasayang yung maganda yung abante nung first 3 quarters.
Yun na nga, yung sabi ni Coach Sean sa locker room kanina, di na dapat aabot pa ng overtime kung nag-stay consistent kami at naging disiplinado pa. So, yun, may game na naman kami sa Sunday, then yun, yun yung mga pagkakulang namin ngayon, doon na namin i-execute sa Sunday game. So, kailangan pa namin mag-improve doon. Lalo na, galit si Coach Sean sa akin, 8 seconds violation ba naman? In the crucial part. So, yun, doon pa naman ako mag-i-improve So, yun.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Ano ba yan?
Yan, pwede na kayo magtanong, guys.
Wala na.
Kirby, so good game for you today. Anong feeling na pag-step up ka? Did you feel na may urgency na ikaw yung kailangan mag-step up para sa team mo? Tsaka yung experience mo, talking through it, yung paglaban kay Celtic Gonzalez.
Yun nga yun ang mahirap Sinigano ko yung katapat ko Sobrang bigat sobrang grabe niya din maglaro. Grabe niya na sobrang believe din ako ni Cedric Manzanas Yun ba naman yung kabantayan ko sobrang laki ng respeto ko sa kanya. Yun nga, naglaro lang ako ng tama, ginawa ko na lang yung tama yung pinagawa ni Coach Sean sa akin.
Coach, it's been a wild season so far for you. how do you like the closest of the team standings? It seems like everyone still has a shot at that Final Four, and with this win, kept you in the race at least.
Yeah, just like I said in the guys in the locker room, this puts ourselves in a situation where if we continue to play good basketball, we're in the conversation and we're in ahead of schedule, because I know a lot of people didn't expect us to be in the conversation still in the second half of the season at this point. So now we're 2-1 in the second round, and I don't know. We felt like going into the season, there's certain teams that we had to try to sweep if possible, and then there's 3 teams that we need to try to split with, and one of them is our next game, UST. See if we can possibly maybe steal a game from LaSalle in U. So and then if we can, then we're in a really good situation. So, but I mean, it's been an amazing season, and I'm happy that we've been able to put ourselves in the conversation, that we're still in the conversation at this time of the season, because we're still young. You know, we still don't have seniors out here leading this team like other teams do, and so I'm just happy that we're in the situation we're in. Again, I'm not happy how we finished it off, because we should be better, but that's part of their youth and getting them to be. You go through these steps to get to the maturity level eventually, right? So we want to be able to finish off the game like I just saw NU finish off the game against LaSalle. Like the way those seniors finish off the game, we want to get to that point.
John Ray, Kirby, yun nga, mukhang nasermonan kayo sa locker room. So, ano yung feeling na kahit panalo, dami pang kailangan i-improve? Tapos, like, individually, ano yung mga dapat nyo i-correct sa isa't isa moving forward? Kasi naghabol pa kayo para makapag-final four. Okay.
Yun na nga eh. Yun na nga, kasi wala nga kasi talaga kaming yung matanda talaga sa team eh. So, nandito naman na kami. Tapos nandito na binibigyan kami ni Coach Sean ng tawag na ito, kami na yung nandyan ba. So, kailangan na namin na panindigan na yung pagkukulang na yun, dapat namin matutunan sa as soon as possible pa. So, yun.
Ayun nga eh, kailangan namin din ng sa isa namin na magdisiplina, paano mag-control na ganun na laro ba para ano. Kasi yun nga, hindi na sana dapat aabot ng overtime yun. And kung nag-discipline lang kami sa second half nun, yun nga, sa practice na ulit, pagkatapos ng gabi na to, kinabukasan wala, back to the na mag-practice din tayo ulit para sa next game.
Congratulations, Coach Sean, Kirby, and John
Thank
Ray.
you.
Thank you.
Salamat. Are we clapping again or not?